Okay, today we're looking at math lesson 10.6. It's the last lesson in your module, so tomorrow you'll do review pages, and then Thursday you'll take a test. So, model and solve two-step problems. We've been doing modeling and solving. Now we just have to figure out the two steps, right?
Yeah.
I can write equations with letters or unknown quantities to solve a two-step problem. We've done that, right? We've used in or, okay. Emilio makes 2 craft stick boxes. So how many boxes is he making?
2.
2. He's making 2 craft stick boxes. He uses 116 craft sticks to make a large box, and he uses 46 fewer craft sticks to make a small box. How many craft sticks does Emilio use for both boxes? So let's talk about what we can do first. It says write a subtraction equation to model the first step of the problem. So the first step is to find out how many, they already told us how many he needed for a large box, but did they tell us how many he needed for a small box? No, they just told us it was 46 fewer than the large box. So the first thing we have to do is find the small box. So we're going to take the large stick, number of large sticks, and what are we going to subtract from that? 46, because that's, says he used 46 fewer, okay? And that's going to equal S. Okay? So now we have to work that. I would go over to the side and I would write it down and I would work it. Some of you may well do it in your head, but this way you'll know for sure you get the right answer. Okay? 6 minus 6 is 4. Okay, we can regroup here, but we're going to end up with the same thing. We're going to end up with 11 minus 4. What is 11 minus 4? 7. So the small box, S, for the small box, is 70 craft sticks. Okay? The real question, though, is how many craft sticks did Emilio use for both boxes? So now we have that, right? Yeah. This was our large box, and this is our small box. Okay? It says write an addition equation to model the second part of the problem. Okay? So we're going to take our large box, which was 116, and we're going to add our small box, and together that will be T for our total number of boxes. Now again, this one you probably can do in your head, but I'm going to write it out over here for you. My pen quits messing up. Okay, 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 1 plus no other 100 is 1. So he used 180 craft sticks altogether. How many craft sticks did Emilio use? 180 craft sticks. You can write this in cursive. Oh, yeah. Oops. I'm sorry, that's 186 craft sticks. 186. Make sure you get that in both places. Okay, we're going to go on to the step it out. Maybe. Bella buys 3 equal packs of trading cards. So what's important there? 3 equal packs. Then her friend gives her 5 trading cards. Now Bella has 26 cards. How many cards are in each pack? So that's what we're working for. But what do we, it says estimate. Okay, first of all, we got to decide what are we going to do. Bella buys 3 equal packs of trading cards, then her friend gives her 5 cards. Minus. What are we going to minus? Now Bella has 26 cards. Okay?
5 minus 26.
Well, 26 minus 5. Okay? So we're going to write this here on our estimate. And then we're going to do our estimate. Okay, so if I rounded 26 to the nearest 5, what would that be?
Minus 5.
Uh-huh. 25. So our estimate is 20 minus 5, which equals what?
15.
15. Okay? Write the numbers from the problem. Use letters for the unknown. The number of cards Bella has now, we already know that. That's 26, right? The number of cards her friend gives her, 5. The number of cards in the pack. Well, what is 26 minus 5?
21.
So there were 21 cards in 3 packages. Okay? That would be a P. Number of packs is our P. Number of cards in the pack. Sorry. Here we go. We're going to put a P here. We're going to put our P on number of cards in the pack because we don't know yet. Okay? How many packs are there? 3. So.
This is one of our facts for our little test.
And then we don't know this either. We don't know how many cards are in each pack. Okay? Now we're going to go back and do our work. The number of cards Bella has now. 26, right? Yeah. The number of cards her friend gave her. 5. Okay? And that's going to equal P. Okay? And we said that 26 minus 5 is 21 is equal to P. Okay? That's the first step of the problem. So those are the cards in the 3 packs. Okay? Whoops. Okay. What is the number of cards in the pack? 21. And how many packs did they have? 3. Does anybody know what 21 divided by 3 is? Brecken. 7. So that could have been C. So 7 is equal to C. So how many cards are in each pack? 7. Okay. Cards. Very good. Thank you, Brecken. Everybody should write cards out there. Woo.
I thought it was E.
Was it E?
Yeah.
Okay. Jason says this is E. Each pack. Or Hudson says that. Okay. Thumb up if you have that. Okay, we're going to go on. Ben collects pennies. And dollar coins, he has 75 coins in his collection. We have 6 sheets of pennies. The number of pennies on each sheet is shown. How many dollar coins does Ben have in his collection? Okay. So, he has, Ben collects, he has 6 sheets. Coins, how many is in a thing? We're estimating. So what could we round that to? That would be easiest. 10. Okay. Equals
60.
Okay.
It won't round to 60. I know that.
Okay. No. All right. So how many sheets are there? 6 sheets. How many pennies are really on the sheet?
No.
That equals P, the number of pennies, and 6 times 9 is, Catherine? 6 times 9. 54. So 54 pennies altogether. Now, write an equation to model the second step. How many dollar coins does Ben have in his collection? The number of, okay. Remember he had 75 coins?
Yeah.
He has 6 sheets of pennies?
Yeah.
Okay. So we figured out that 6 sheets of pennies is 54 coins, but how many coins does he have in his collection?
75.
So 75 minus our 54 equals D, the number of dollar coins. So can we subtract this? 5 minus 4 is
1.
And 7 minus 5 is
2.
So how many dollar coins does he have?
21.
Okay. You can write one equation to model both steps of the problem. There were a number of coins in the equation. So there were 75 coins in the equation. Number of sheets of pennies. How many sheets of pennies were there? Right here. 6 times the number of pennies on each sheet equals the dollar. Now, to solve this equation, okay. So we have 75 total coins, 6 sheets of 9 pennies, each is equal to dollars. Show how you can solve the equation. Think, solve the equation from left to right first. Multiply and divide. This is the order of operations. We haven't talked about this for a while. We haven't talked about it since the first of the year. But it says multiply and divide. So we're going to go across our equation and we're going to say 75 minus, and then we're going to do 6 times 9. What did we say 6 times 9 was, Catherine?
54.
Okay. Equals, what do we get? Do you remember? 21. How many dollar coins does Ben have in his collection? $21 coins. Okay. Are you writing? Okay, if you're working at home, go ahead and check your understanding and then come back and check for the correct answers. Okay, here are the answers for check your understanding. On number 2, don't forget to try your do your order of operations and do your multiplication first. After this, you can go on to your homework.